when the light falls silent. The soul finally speaks. Walking through cities where every face feels frozen, and every step we take is a fate already chosen. Searching for meaning in a world full of noise, fighting silent battles with a strength we never voice, carrying years of pain like it's something normal, but the heart keeps standing, quiet but immortal in the darkness. It's not an enemy, it's a mirror that reveals the truth, showing what we try to hide, teaching us that strength begins where comfort dies. Don't set down the fire inside, let it rise, let it burn, let it guide. We are all energy moving against the tide, turning every scar into power we can't hide. Every broken heart comes back stronger than before, building from the ashes a brand new world, a brand new world, a brand new way. We bury dreams under fear, I believe in the end was the final chapter, but the truth is clear. Every wound is a doorway to something sharper, ready for the next level, ready for the